Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Friends, fun and see, it feels like summer to me. The sun is shining bright. Let's quench our thirst with something cool and light. Today's recipe is a refreshing, healthful drink to welcome summer. It's a milkshake made out of dates and oats. So beat the heat with this healthy treat. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. Hit that red button and ring that bell to get notified on upcoming videos. Dates are not only excellent natural sweeteners but also high in disease-fighting antioxidants. They are high in fiber, which prevents constipation and controls blood sugar. It is said that dates may promote and ease natural labor for pregnant women when consumed during the last few weeks of pregnancy. I have taken 3 tablespoons of oats here. Dry roasting them gives a nice taste to the milkshake. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free and are a great source of vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. These are around 10 seedless or pitted dates. In a blender, add 2 cups of chilled milk. You can use any kind of milk here, almond, soy or cow milk. To it, add the pitted dates and then goes in roasted oats. For that extra protein and fiber, add 1 tablespoon of flax meal and 1 tablespoon of ground almonds. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder for flavor. Now blend until smooth. There we go, it's all done. Pour into a glass. Either sprinkle cinnamon powder or top with oats and flax meal. You're sure to slurp this beverage in one go. Oats may lower the risk of heart disease and may improve insulin sensitivity and help lower blood sugar levels. Some research suggests that oats may help prevent asthma in children when fed to young infants. Studies indicate that oat bran can help reduce constipation in elderly individuals. So dates and oats together are no less than a superfood.
This milkshake is delicious. I love it.
Try this lip-smacking nutritious drink and make the most out of it. Meanwhile, give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy.